You're watching Wish TV, your local news source. Now, News 8 at 6 continues.
Top lawmakers say they will work this session to reduce the price you pay for your health care.
News 8's government reporter Garrett Bergquist explains what looks likely and what appears to be out of the question.
Top-ranking lawmakers say we can expect some kind of action this session on lowering the cost of health care in this state.
Lawmakers began pushing the major hospital chains on price transparency earlier this year. House Speaker Todd Huston says to expect some legislative action on that front in January.
I think we have to create more competition both in the provider space and in the insurer space. We need to make individuals and businesses better consumers of health care.
According to the Center for Medicare and Medicaid Services, the average Hoosier spent more than $10,000 on health care in 2020. That's above the national average and the 19th highest in the country. Houston says he'd like to look for ways to incentivize independent general practitioners, but he says the government can't fix everything.
I think so many times we say, well, the government's got to come solve this problem for us. The government's got to come figure this out. And, how do you improve healthcare outcomes? First and foremost is to take personal responsibility in it.
Senate Minority Leader Greg Taylor says that mentality merely shirks existing government responsibilities. He says lawmakers need to cap the prices on certain medications.
We can't have the government approving medications and the process for medications and then say, now we have no responsibility for the cost of it.
The Governor's Public Health Commission this summer recommended increasing public health funding by $240 million per year. Republican leaders say they're unlikely to spend that much money because they don't believe it will help bring down consumer costs.
Lawmakers will gather here at the State House on Tuesday for the annual Organization Day. The legislative session itself begins on January 9th. At the State House, Garrett Bergquist, Wish TV, wishtv.com, and follow us on Facebook.